Hey guys, how's it going? So today I have this awesome freaking product by Tufskinz. So Tufskinz is a company that basically makes protection for your vehicles. For the Tacomas, they have the lettering back here, they have that blacked out. For the Forerunners, they have these pillars. So like my pillars, you could see there's, well, not really in this lighting, but there's trail marks on it. So they make overlays for that. For your skid plate, they have the TRD inserts. These ones are stickers, so I'm waiting on their TRD inserts to come in so it'll look like the 2019 TRD Pros when they come out. They got stuff for Fords and everything, so I'll leave all their information down in the description. I'll leave their website, Instagram, all that stuff down there for you all. But basically what this product is, this one is an insert for all your stuff in the center console. I have my one cup holder out because I put a big hydro flask in there, but basically it'll overlay in here, it'll overlay on that, and in here too. So this stuff right here has no protection from Toyota, so if you put stuff in here it could get all scratched up. So basically what this is, it's kind of like not a film that goes over it because it's nice and thick and cushiony, but it basically just adheres to all this to protect all of your vehicle. So depending on what Forerunner you have, if you have your four-wheel drive transfer case right here, if you have a knob, all that stuff is customizable on their website. I got mine with gray inserts. I kind of wish I actually would have got red inserts. You could do red, blue, yellow, purple, whatever you want. So you basically just customize it on their website and it ships in orders. So basically step one is just clean up all your stuff. Make sure there's no dust, no anything. Don't clean it up with anything oily. I just used water and just wiped mine up. Used a paper towel basically to get up all the dust and whatnot, and then just wiped all that with a microfiber at the end. Right now it's about 85 degrees to almost 90 or so. So I'm not gonna have to use a hair dryer. They don't want you to use a heat gun. Use a hair dryer if you have to adhere the plastic to it, but that shouldn't be an issue with us right now. So this one's for the cup holder. It kind of looks a little wood grainy. The interior of it is a customizable color, but it's nice and cushiony, padded, and it's kind of like a felt material. Little 3M style tape backing right here, so we're just gonna pull it back. So I tried to clean up the cup holder as much as possible, but you see that right there? Basically that's, you know, just from drinks and stuff, just being in there. Yeah, you can clean it, get deep in there, but this, if I knew about it in the first place, would protect that. And yes, it is a sticky product, sticky material, and to get it off of here when this eventually goes would be a pain, but you would just have to heat it up to get it out. Okay. And that's it. So look how cool that actually looks inside of there. Pressed in, make sure you get it all around. That'll hold the drink nicely. It looks really cool too. I really wish I actually got red to go with the theme of the TRD Pro inside. But basically I just put it down in there. And that's the concept for all these. So this will peel off, that will peel off, and then these ones up here, they'll go kind of like in the actual console area. So if you guys have, you know, change or whatever you just throw up there that's scratching up your vehicle, this right here will help protect that. That's on. And then this one right here, little life hack, it fits a GoPro perfectly. There that is. This piece, the smaller end, goes towards the back. Just kind of send it in. Let go. Let it sit. And that's it. Like, this is, I love super simple installs like this that make just a world of a difference, you know? Here's the other one. Go ahead and peel it off. Again, looks like the smaller section towards the back. There we go. All right, that's nice and flat now. There we go. And look at that protection that you have. And not only that, but it's a nice gray aesthetic looking color. I wish that I did red, Definitely wish I did red, but very, very nice. I love the felt, so whatever you put up here actually will have some nice grip. So it makes me super, super excited for the TRD inserts that I have coming in for the front skid plate. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'll leave all this stuff down in the description for you guys, along as, like I said, their Instagram and their website. Subscribe for more Toyota stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you later.